Hey, welcome back. This is going to be a very short video just showing how I replaced the doors on my 440. I can't begin to tell you how pleased I've been with the operation and the utility of these doors. I wish I would have done it a lot sooner. I started by purchasing a 3-foot section of roller track from MCMaster-Carr. You'll find the link in the description. The 36-inch piece fit exactly within the enclosure with no cutting required. My door width is 14 inches. This gave me 2 inches of overlap in the center and 1.5 inches on the end. As you can see, our fully open space is less than optimal, but I'm going to show you how I fix this at the end of the video. Here's the MCMaster-Carr track mounted to a 1.5 inch piece of angled aluminum that I picked up from the local hardware. I used the existing holes in the enclosure to mount the angle to. And here's kind of a picture of what it looks like on the inside. So to mount the top rail, I went ahead and drilled through the rail up into the enclosure and then placed a little wedge block in between the screws so that the angle would be the same as the enclosure. So this is my new 3D printed handle, and it's held in place with some 3M double-sided adhesive. So the plan is that the inside panel would actually mount to the handle, and this gives me enough room for the second panel to fit inside the handle, and this gives me about 1.5 inches more opening. So I'm not entirely unpleased with that at all. I can work with that. If the need arises where I needed to do some serious maintenance on the mill, the panels easily come out. So that's it in a nutshell. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and like, because it really does help out my channel. I'm Tim from Last Bastion Labs. Stay dry.